I'm speeding up through this exercise because it is killing me. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mind Stretching here. On this channel, I am sharing tricks and tips and exercises on how to train our brain. So this is the second video in a series of videos where I'm tracking my progress as I'm learning a very specific skill. So on this video, I have previously mentioned that I am developing ambidexterity. Ambidexterity is when you can use your left hand and your right hand equally well. And now I basically want to take it one step further and learn how to write with my left hand and with my right hand at the same time. So to do that, I have developed a set of exercises where I basically train myself to perform different tasks with my left hand and with my right hand at the same time. And the goal is that eventually I will be able to write, let's say, a piece of text with my left hand and at the same time write a piece of another text with my right hand. At this point, it seems pretty much impossible, but never say never. Anyway, this is the second video. The first video you can find in the second video in this series. This is the first video you can find here. And this is where I have introduced the first exercise that I have been working on for the past 5-6 days. And so this is the result. So this is the first exercise for which I came up with two templates. The first template you can see on the screen, day 1 versus day 6. There's really not much difference, I think, because the template itself is pretty simple. But for the second template, I actually see some progress. Actually, somewhere throughout the week, I have switched colors so that by day 6, the left hand became blue and right hand became red, for whatever reason. But regardless, I can see the difference and the sort of the improvement between, say, the left hand on day 1 and left hand on day 6. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the result. So this was not an easy task. It was not an easy exercise, but now I feel more or less comfortable with it. So it's time to do the second one, which is more challenging than the previous one. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. And the idea is the same. I do it now, give myself a week or so, and then share the result and switch to the next exercise. Let's see how it goes. So the progress here is somewhat slow. Actually, it is painfully slow. It takes me some effort to sort of keep track of what I'm doing on the left side and on the right side. And what I'm noticing is that where the pattern is easier, the hand is kind of progressing faster, which is not ideal because I'm aiming at sort of finishing patterns at the same time. But here, for instance, left hand is slower than the right hand, for instance. Another thing that I'm noticing here as I'm doing this exercise is that the further I'm moving from the center, the harder it is to sort of keep track of the pattern. So I'm constantly, my attention is split between what I'm doing with my left hand versus with what I'm doing with my right hand. So it's a little bit tricky. The closer it is to the center, the easier it is for me to sort of follow the pattern. And here I'm noticing that I probably should have started with the last 2 lines because they are the easiest, but this is it. Day 1. So this is the second exercise. It's more challenging than the previous one. Let's see how it goes, how many days it will take me to get to the level where I'm comfortable and ready to move on to the next exercise. As always, guys, if you find this interesting, if you find this videos interesting, give them thumbs up, give them likes, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.